This is the Osctor Watercolor Mini Watercolor Travel Set with wooden palette and 24 watercolors with sketchbook and metal clip. The company was so kind and sent this to me to review, and I've got to say, this set did not disappoint. I was so excited to try it out. I did try it out on a TikTok live with my following this morning, and it was so much fun. So it comes with this watercolor sketchbook that has these half watercolor pages on this side, and then these watercolor pages on this side. And as you can see, it was so fun to just do this little park sketch, watercolor sketch on this side, and do my swatches on this side. And as you can see, it comes with a generous number of watercolors, 24, with such a range of colors that you can do here. It also came with this watercolor palette here and this clip, which is currently magnetized to it. But it magnetizes shut, and it's so easy to just throw in your purse and take with you. But what I love about this is that you can open it up. I'm going to move this to the side, and you can clip it together to hold it together by just taking it like this and taking it together like this and holding it together like that. Or if you wanted to have it attached to your, I accidentally broke this off, you guys. If you wanted to take this and put it like this, then you could open the clip up even further and clip it to your actual notebook here. And that one I found just a little bit more difficult to do, but you absolutely can do it. There we go. And you can actually clip it there and use it to paint like this. So I thought that was really cool. It also comes with these 3 watercolor pens here. So it comes with this flat tip, which I found very helpful for the washes that we were doing to lay these base colors. The colors were very layerable, which was also really nice, and the paper stood up to the layering really, really well. The other 2 are different sizes of finer tips. As you can see, I primarily used this one. I don't actually think that I used this one. It looks pretty clean, so I probably didn't. If I did, it would have been for a very light color and very briefly. And then it also comes with this adorable little water cup here that folds up nice and small. You just collapse it like this, and then trying to not get it on the paint color here. It collapses like this, and then you just put the cap on when you're done, and it goes with you wherever you go. So I hope that this was helpful. This would be a great gift set, especially for those who are starting to dabble in watercolors. It was such a lovely, lovely experience getting to use this set, and I highly recommend it. It was so much fun, and I think anybody would enjoy getting this as a set and getting to use it to take with them or even just play with at home. So definitely check it out if you are in the market for some watercolor.